Hello everyone. Before I start this video, wishing you a very happy 79th Independence Day to all and hoping you guys are absolutely fine. If you ask about me, I am doing fantastic and I am Banu Prasad. I have completed my graduation recently and I run YouTube channel, not only a YouTube channel but also I take spoken English classes through Zoom application except Sundays. So if you are someone who just want to flourish your communication skills and who just want to get rid of your fear and also who just want to improve public speaking skills, just approach me through email. I have given every social media link of mine in the description of my channel. Just check out there and just reach out me. And thank you so much for watching. And if you are someone who has started following my channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your one like and one share is really giving me a lot of hope and boost and confidence to shoot more videos. And without wasting our time, let's jump into today's video. Yes guys, you have heard right and you have already seen the thumbnail of this video that in this video I'm just going to recommend you 3 YouTube channels which immensely help me to get this kind of fluency today, right? So are you excited to know what all those 3 YouTube channels? Yes, even I am super excited to share with you those 3 YouTube channels, because why I just wanted to bring that 3 YouTube channels here means if I share at least, so the one who have a strong desire to speak and to watch something regarding in English, you may not know what kind of content you should watch, right? So if you know at least these 3 YouTube channel and if you engage with these 3 YouTube channels every single day, somehow it is going to change your communication skills as a part of speaking in English, right? So that is why I just wanted to recommend you 3 YouTube channels. Yes, without wasting our time, without wasting your precious time is very precious, I just want to let you know the first YouTube channel which I just want to recommend you here is Words of Wisdom. Yes guys, so this is a channel. If I speak about this YouTube channel, it really helped me whenever I felt alone, whenever I feel like giving up on my dreams, on my desires, and not only my dreams and desires, on everything. And also whenever I felt like giving up on something, whenever I felt like not doing anything, I just go and I just watch this YouTube channel. From there what I have learned, many things I have learned, so in that YouTube channel, so they will be providing inspirational type videos, motivational type content, and also it really boosts your confidence, it uplifts you if you are the person who really takes serious and if you are the person who watch that videos every single day. So how that YouTube channel changed my lifestyle, I will tell you one small story. So there they will bring motivational type content. So one fine day while I was watching YouTube videos randomly, I just came across that YouTube channel and I just clicked on that and I just went into that channel. So one video really inspired me the day when I started following that channel. So every single day I used to follow that channel, and what I used to do every single day when I was watching that videos from that channel, so I used to carry my book and I used to hold pen in my hand and I used to write small motivational words, and also I used to write small vocabulary whichever I have not known earlier. And also from there I developed how should we tell a storytelling. For example, if you are serious about telling stories, so that video is really going to help you. So again I'm reminding you, the channel name is Words of Wisdom. Just go and just watch those videos, definitely it is going to help you. And if I talk about second channel, so which called Sunshine English. Yes, you have heard right. So what about Sunshine English teach, what about Sunshine English talks about, right? So I'll tell you. So Sunshine English, so there some animated stories are there, so it will be providing subtitles and also it will be sharing lot of English stories like series wise. So once if you go and once if you watch those videos, definitely Sunshine English also going to help you in order to gain advanced vocabulary, in order to gain advanced sentences, and also there lot of conversational videos were there already in that channel. So if you are someone who is looking forward to improving your conversational type communication, for example you meet your friends after long days, if you want to address something in English, so but you are getting stuck in between not to prolong the conversation, right? So if you want to extend your conversation, if you want to ask questions after some conversation completes, right? So that channel is really going to help you. So from that channel I have developed that, okay, what kind of questions we should ask whenever we are building some conversational, from not only for well-known persons but also whenever we are speaking to some strangers, how should we start conversation and what kind of questions should we ask in that conversation. So everything is really going to shape your personality and shape your communication skills from that channel. So that is why I am addressing you here that, so Sunshine English is one of the best YouTube channel, I can say, for all the beginners and for all the intermediates who are looking for learning fancy words, who are looking for developing their vocabulary, and also who are looking for framing small sentences, because they are providing subtitles in a simple words, you know. So even there is no chance to not understanding for whenever you watch that videos, right? So that is why I have brought Sunshine English also here, right? And third channel, this is one of my favorite channels, I can say that. Third channel, this is one of my favorite channel. So this is Mark Angel Comedy. So always I love watching videos from this YouTube channel. So this channel really make me laugh and also make me learn something new every single day. And also how should we productive in our life, and how should we make rapport with strangers, and how should we talk politely with other people, and also how should we make fun even in the English itself. So everything I have learned from this YouTube channel that called Mark Angel Comedy. So if you are someone who wants to consume English content without getting bored, so this is one of the best channel. So in this channel, so there is a group and there is a community, so where people are making some fun related videos in English itself. So this channel belong to Nigerian people. So really, you know, so their accent also as similar as our accent. So just go and just watch out that videos. Definitely it is going to help you somehow, because you know, these three YouTube channels, the day when I started following these three YouTube channels, immensely I have seen my personal development, I have seen my personal growth, and also I have seen my personal improvement in communication skills, and also the way I am addressing and the way I am speaking confidently even though strangers. So everything I have seen in myself. So that is the reason why I just wanted to make a video on whatever the channels I have been following from a very long time. You won't believe, guys, even till today I'm following those three YouTube channels. You know, every single day whenever they upload the video on that respective YouTube channels, I just go and I just watch and I just learn something, because I consider myself as a learner. I cannot consider myself that, okay, I'm speaking well English, I'm speaking some advanced vocabulary, I'm using advanced vocabulary in my conversation, and also I'm speaking to a lot of people and I'm extending my conversation and everything. I'm bringing the best from my side. I cannot think in such a way. Once if I start thinking that I know everything, so my journey stops there itself and everything stops there itself, right? So I'm advising you that if you are someone who is looking forward to improve your communication skills, whatever the channels I have advised today in today's video, just go and just subscribe those channels and just start watching videos from those channel. Definitely, if you are taking this challenge seriously and if you are considering seriousness and if you want to really improve your communication skills, consider day one. And after 30 days, if you keep watching videos from those three YouTube channels every single day without missing at least one video, definitely you are going to see lot of improvement in your English speaking after 1 month. I am really giving guarantee. Because, you know, based on my personal experience, you know, I did not join any institution. I did not take anybody's support to learn this English language. I am also like you. I have come from this small village background, you know, but all of a sudden I really came across all these three wonderful YouTube channels, and that three really YouTube channels shaped my personality and also shaped my communication skills so strong today, right? So just don't lose any opportunity. Just grab every opportunity and just use whatever the time you are spending for learning this English language. Just spend your time wisely, okay? And in today's video, whatever the channels I have advised for you, just go and just get subscribed to that channels and just start following and just keep watching at least one video from these three YouTube channels. Definitely I'm guaranteeing you, I can say that definitely it is really going to help you guys. And you can see the background. So I just want to show you how the greenery and how lush greens I surrounded by today. You can see the mountains and everything right behind me. So this is the place guys where I feel most comfortable. And also, you know, so if you guys, you can see there is a hibiscus flower, so that also I have, that plant also has been planted by me guys. So this is the place where I feel soothed, where I feel really confident enough to do anything in my life, you know. Whenever I feel alone, so whenever I feel I just want to, whenever I feel like giving up on something, I just come here and I just spend my time. But you know, so I had to stay in Hyderabad, right? Because of small function, I had to come my hometown. Very soon I'm going to leave from this place. Once if I go to Hyderabad, definitely I'll try to show you everything what exactly I do in my daily routine in order to learn this English language, and how I started my journey, and everything from the scratch I'm going to share with you. So just please keep supporting my channel and just keep encouraging me, because your support means a lot. And I really love you all guys, because you guys are really supporting me a lot. So whatever the content I'm sharing, you guys are really supporting, it means a lot. Thank you so much. And if you are someone who has a strong desire to learn this English language, just never give up, just keep pushing yourself, just keep doing amazing things every single day. That is what all I wanted to convey in today's video. And whatever the channels I have already advised in today's video, just go and just watch videos from that channels, right? Thank you so much. I'll see you with one more beautiful content in the next video. Thank you so much. Keep subscribing and keep supporting my channel, and keep updating yourself. That is very, very, very important, right? Thank you so much. I'll see you with one more wonderful content in the next video. Bye, take care.